Hi, my name is Yvonne, and today we're going to learn a lot of vocabulary with a very simple salad recipe. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to learn about all the utensils we're going to be using. Very good. This is a salad spinner. Salad spinner. So I'm going to place the lettuce disinfected here. Salad spinner. You can get this perhaps in a Chinese store. Okay, here in Spain we have lots. This is a salad bowl. Salad bowl. At the end, I'm going to put all the salad here. Salad bowl. Then I have these two plates here. This is a bowl and this is a normal plate. Here in my bowl, I'm going to place all the waste. Okay, like the peels and the seeds. Okay, the things that I'm not going to be using. Waste. Okay, here. And then this one, I'm going to be putting all the toppings, okay, for the salad. This is a normal plate. When it's flat, it's a plate, okay? Very good. Now, this big boy here is a cutting board. Cutting board. You use it to cut things, you know? That's why it's cutting board. Very good. And here we have a grater. Grater, yes, grater. Okay, so we're gonna grate, okay, all, for example, the carrot, grate. Grate in the grater. Very good. Then knife, a knife, knife, a fork, fork. Very good. This is a peeler, peeler. We use it to peel vegetables. For example, the carrots or the cucumbers, okay, peeler. And this is a spoon. This is a little spoon, okay? This is like to eat your dessert. So it could be a dessert spoon or a coffee spoon. Some people may say it's a teaspoon, okay, because of the size. But for me, a teaspoon is longer because in Texas, when you drink tea, you have usually it's cold tea, okay, iced tea, and they give you a spoon with a very long handle, okay? Very good. And this is a kitchen paper towel. Kitchen paper towel, okay, very useful. And this one here is an apron. Apron, okay, this is maybe a new word and it's more sophisticated. Apron, and you use it, for example, when you're going to be cooking, the first thing is to wear an apron to protect your clothes. So I'm going to wear today my apron, even though I'm not going to be cooking anything sophisticated today. It's just a simple salad, but you see all the vocabulary, okay? So then we're going to see all the ingredients. Very good. Now we're going to see all the ingredients we're going to be using for this very simple salad. So, the first thing, lettuce, lettuce. What's a salad without lettuce, right? Lettuce. Cucumber, cucumber. Carrot, carrot. This time, I'm going to be using avocado, avocado. And here we have a red tomato, tomato, tomato. Here we have olives, some olives. This is an olive jar, okay, olives. And spinach, spinach. And of course, remember, you can choose different types of vegetables for the salad, right? And for the dressing, is a very simple dressing too. It's going to be olive oil, lemon juice, salt, salt, and pepper, pepper. And remember, as I said before, you can use more ingredients. And if you want to put some, I don't know, protein, maybe you want to have some cheese, or maybe you want to boil an egg and put it there, or maybe you can even open a tuna fish can and just put it there as well, okay? So, but this time it's going to be a vegetarian salad, a complete vegetarian salad, and a very simple salad because we're focusing on vocabulary. Very good. Now, we have put the lettuce and the spinach in our salad spinner. Why? Because we're going to disinfect this, okay? Like you normally do at home. You're going to disinfect this. And we have washed with soap and water the rest of the vegetables, okay? And we're gonna cut some kitchen paper towel here, okay, to dry them, okay, because they need to be dry. So I'm gonna leave the tomato and the avocado here because the next thing is we're gonna peel, okay, the carrot and the cucumber. We're gonna use the peeler to peel these things, okay? We're gonna do it like that, and the peels, we're gonna put them in our waste container, okay? Very good. Now we're gonna take the grater and we're gonna grate the carrot, okay? So the first thing is, before grating it, I'm gonna cut the tip because I don't like it. So I'm gonna take my big knife and I'm gonna cut the tips, okay, from the carrot and the tip from the cucumber as well, okay? Yeah, let's remove those, okay? Very good. And then, of course, as we said before, we're gonna take the grater and we're gonna start grating our carrot, just like that, okay? Yeah, the word grate, it's like great, but it's not, okay? So later on, I'm gonna tell you how to spell the word grate. It's actually G-R-A-T-E, grate. So we're grating this, okay? And the other great, like fantastic, is G-R-E-A-T. So they're spelled differently, but it's the same, pronunciation, okay? Okay, so we're gonna place the grated carrot in our topping plate, okay? So I'm gonna get the knife to help me. And let's see, like this, and we're gonna place it here, nice, okay, nicely, okay, very good. So let's see. Okay, now we're gonna take the cucumber and with our knife, we're gonna cut it lengthwise. Lengthwise is like this, okay? Lengthwise. Why? Because it's easier, okay? Lengthwise. And then we're gonna take our little spoon that is here, okay? Remember that dessert spoon. And we're gonna remove the seeds, okay? We're gonna remove the seeds because sometimes the seeds are not so good for our intestine, So we're gonna remove the seeds, okay? Some people don't like them. Well, if you like them, you can eat them, right? Okay, very good. And here, it's very simple. You see, we take the spoon, we remove the seeds. The seeds sometimes start jumping all over the place, but don't worry, right? Okay, now we're gonna cut that into sticks, okay? So we're gonna put the flat thing here of the cucumber, and we're gonna do it like this, or with our fingers, okay? And we're gonna place this, remember, it's on our cutting board. We're gonna get the knife, and we're gonna cut this into sticks. So now we're cutting the cucumber into sticks. Then we're going to dice it. Dice it is to cut it like in little squares, okay? We're gonna cut all the cucumber and we're gonna dice it, okay? Cutting into sticks and dice it. Very good, like that, dice. And there is another word, chop, okay? Now the difference between chopping and dicing is that when you dice something, you want it like more or less the same size, all the little squares that you're cutting are the same size. Here we're putting the cucumber next to the carrot, to the grated carrots. And when you chop something, you do it very, very quickly. Usually it sounds like this when you're chopping. And the sides are not equal, But when you dice something, more or less the squares are the same size. Now, we're gonna take our tomato, okay, and we're gonna cut the edge of it like that. And we're gonna cut that into wedges. And you say, what's a wedge? Well, I'm gonna teach you what a wedge is. So you're gonna cut the tomato into wedges, okay? So, look, this is a wedge, okay? Just like that. So I'm gonna cut the wedges into halves, to have 8 wedges, okay? Because they look nice, I think. Of course, if you want to cut the tomato into little squares, dice it as well, you may do so. But for this salad, we're gonna leave them like that. We're gonna place this here next to our grated carrot and our diced cucumber. Now we have our wedged tomato. And then here we have an avocado. Now, with an avocado, also we're gonna get the knife and we're gonna cut it lengthwise, okay? Let's see how the avocado is. Avocados are like, you know, little, I don't know, surprise boxes sometimes, you know. Let's see if this avocado is nice. Well, it's not that bad, you know. This one has a big pit. Avocados have pits, and cucumbers have seeds, okay? Like seeds, like these, okay? But avocados have pits. So if you want to remove the pit, you have to be very careful. You have to take the knife and you do this. No? And it's there. The pit is there. So the pit, waste container, okay? And usually when the avocado is good, you know, is ready to be eaten, the peel goes off very easily. You know, you just can peel it like that, okay? Okay, now we're gonna continue. We have peeled our avocado. We're gonna cut it into sticks or wedges, more or less wedges maybe, and we're gonna dice it later, you know, just to have it like that. If you see any brown parts, you can remove those, okay, because you don't want to eat the brown parts of the avocado. Very good. And we're gonna place our diced avocado next to our diced cucumber, our wedges tomato, and our grated carrot. Now, we're gonna take our fork and we're gonna take around 5 or 6 olives from the jar. If you want more, take more, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here in Spain, olives are very common and every single member of my family loves olives, right? So we're gonna cut them. Okay, we're gonna take the knife and, you know, on our cutting board. Okay, so we're gonna cut them very, very thin. Well, if you want them thick, I mean, it's okay, you know, but. Okay, now we're gonna tear the lettuce and the spinach by hand. It's not tear, it's tear, okay? Tear is the liquid that comes out from your eye when you're crying, okay? That's a tear, but right now I am tearing the lettuce and the spinach, okay, by hand. The reason I'm doing that is that I'm preventing it from oxidizing, okay? I'm preventing the lettuce from oxidizing, okay? That's why I'm cutting it or tearing it by hand. After finishing this, then I'm gonna place some here, okay, in my salad bowl, and I'm gonna try to make like a lasagna, okay, like a salad lasagna. The reason I'm doing that is because I want all the toppings, you know, very well mixed. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit of the salad, and then I'm gonna take some olives and I'm gonna put them like there, and then a little bit here. Remember, if you want to put more ingredients, you're free to do so. You're free to do so, okay? That's another expression. You're free to do so, okay? If you want, you can do it, okay? So there. I'm going to leave the tomatoes for the very top, okay? Because I think they look nice, you know? Okay, and I'm going to continue doing this, okay? Very good. We're gonna do the last step, okay? We're gonna dress the salad, okay? Dress the salad. We're gonna put the dressing, okay? Is an expression. Well, it's not an expression, it's a word. We're gonna dress the salad. Okay, so I have salt here. Just a little bit of salt. Some pepper. This is a very basic dressing, okay? This is what I do at home. Okay, a lot... less pepper. Okay, let's see. Some olive oil. Here in Spain, olive oil is very common, okay? If you don't have olive oil, well, then you put whatever oil you've got, I mean, that you like, right? And some lemon juice, okay? And this is our very basic salad. As you could see, we had lots of vocabulary words for this very basic salad, okay? This is the result. So if you learn some new vocabulary words, okay, give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? Well, have a great day and see you. Bye-bye. Take care.